Hello, family. Hello, family, family, family. I'm back into my crab legs tonight. My husband got him some crab legs, baked potato, and corn is what we having tonight for movie night. And I have my corn. I love my seafood. I top that off with some little black pepper. Put me some black pepper in my butter, a little butter, and some crab leg and some lobsters. Now this is good. I want to tell y'all, when you're doing your crab legs also, this tastes real good. And then you top them off with you some organic black pepper, a bottle of water, and some margaritas. Get you some margarita, and girl, you got it going on. So that's what we're gonna have tonight. At night. Wishing everybody health, wealth, happiness, family, marriage, success, wealth. And this is what we're doing tonight. Husband got him a little bit tonight. So y'all have a great evening. We're about to watch us some movies. Business Boss Housewife is free to subscribe and support. Brenda Teal. Thank you. And thank all of y'all for my new subscribers. I just started my channel. I've been on YouTube, but I wasn't doing anything but like looking up businesses and stuff like that. I never was starting a channel. But since I'm home, hey, start a channel. You're doing YouTube anyway, so I support you. You support me. Let's do some business this year. That's enough for everybody. Brenda Teal, subscribe. My husband tearing them crab legs up. Happy home, happy wife.